Hello there, my name is Onchain and welcome to another super important Bitcoin update. And in this video, I wanted to jump back at with a lot of Bitcoin hopium. So if you are a Bitcoin bull, then this video is perfect for you. But jokes aside, really wanted to mention a lot of very cool stuff that is happening in Bitcoin in super short-term perspective right now. And also this piece of Onchain Data it's amazing. And also, not this one, also this piece right here, which is absolutely incredible. And there is a signal that just is currently flashing that the last 3 times in the history of Bitcoin, when it actually flashed, it took Bitcoin to the next all-time high. So you really don't want to miss this. And also we're going to talk about Ripple because it's super important and super juicy. And before we jump into all of this awesomeness, subscribe to this YouTube channel right now and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload. And join my free Telegram channel. There is a link down in the description so that you're always notified when the market is on the move and you don't miss epic trades like the one that I still have open right here, which is very important. So join my Telegram channel down in the description of this video. Smash up the like button for Mr. Spot On because these entries that we're having here and the trades that we're having are absolutely explosive and absolutely incredible. Noise in the comments, like button, subscribe button, and let's just jump right into it. I don't know, I'm also excited, because there's gonna be, so excited. There's gonna be so much hopium in this video, and let's just tone it down a little bit and be a bit more serious. So just, have a very good mood today, and I hope that you guys are having an amazing mood as well, because I really do care about you, and I do love when so many of us are doing so great in the markets and having positive mood in general. Okay, so currently we had this incredible small squeeze which we broke out of, and yesterday I did a live stream and I had a live trade. Check it out, I'll link it somewhere here. And I had a live trade which is still open right here over on Bybit and still has like $4,500 in profit. And if you're gonna ask me, then Bybit is one of the best places to trade actively, longing Bitcoin, shorting Bitcoin, whatever. And with my exclusive link down in the description of this video, you can open an account, go to Rewards Hub, and claim up to $4,100 in free bonuses in real money on top of your initial deposit, and also a 30% discount on commissions and fees. And there is also, with my link down in the description of this video, there is a video instruction of how to actually claim that bonus. That's what you guys and girls have been asking me to record. So right now, what is going on? I mean, of course, we have actually seen some resistance right here, as I've mentioned in my live stream yesterday, that we could see some resistance from this downward slope right here from this channel, and now we're currently in it. So we are seeing like some small rejection from it, so it potentially will turn into a support and send the price higher, which is quite nice. Potentially. So this is also a really interesting long trade, but again, not financial advice, just the way I'm looking at it. And I got into this trade the earliest possible, and that's why you have to stay in tune and always watch my videos from the beginning till the end. So currently, if this actually turns into a support, then our next target is going to be right here at about $42,200, which is a very important key market level from the past, and also the resistance of this downward channel right here. And then the next target, 44,700, and this area in general, which you all are also familiar with already. But let's talk about this, which is simply incredible and amazing, which is Ripple lawsuit victory looms after a big win versus SEC. Yes, baby! Go XRP. I have a lot of XRP, and tell me down in the comments, do you guys have a lot of XRP? Because I'm an XRP bull as well right now. I mean, I've been a Bitcoin bull and now I'm going to be an XRP bull, and I probably am going to buy more XRP, because when it's going to cost $100 within, I don't know, whatever amount of time, we're going to miss this time, and we're going to say, why didn't we buy it at 70 cents, 80 cents, etc. So, okay, but ridiculous forecasts aside, let's just take a look. So Ripple secured a big win in the lawsuit against SEC this week. So that's 100%. A judge ruled that SEC released documents that may prove it has selectively enforced regulation in the cryptocurrency industry, blah, blah, blah. If the SEC now settles, XRP could be in for a big jump, and that's why I'm so excited. And of course, I mean, if XRP wins, it's going to be a huge win for the general crypto world in general. So it's going to be huge. And also, I'm thinking that they actually are going to win. So if you're going to ask me my opinion whether XRP is going to win, I give you a 90% chance that they will win. So this is absolutely amazing. I've been following it, and I've been telling you guys all these updates. So that's why I subscribe to this YouTube channel, super important. And I think that they're going to win. Now, the next thing I really wanted to discuss is going to be this not this one. Let me just see this one right here, which is the 1 year active supply of Bitcoin, and it is shrinking. And this is the biggest thing. And oh, by the way, before we get into it, there is a link down in the description of this video to a online trading competition of Thomas Krallo. So I've actually organized an online trading competition for you guys and girls to participate in with a $50,000 prize pool. And it's a free registration. So find the link down in the description or in the pinned comment, register and show what you can do as a trader. It really doesn't cost anything. And the top winners are going to get up to $50,000 in real money in prizes. And also the top winner will get a guaranteed seat at Krallo Trading Show Season 2. So don't miss this incredible opportunity and participate for free and show what you can do as a trader. All the links down in the description. So going back to the 1 year of active supply in Bitcoin. So this is basically, in simple layman terms, initially it was posted on Twitter by Plan C. So just giving credit to Plan C. So, and last times, whenever this has happened, this is again, guys and girls, look at this. This is a whole history of Bitcoin, looking at it from a very big distance, right? So from 2010 all the way to 2022. And the last times when the active supply of Bitcoin was shrinking and going down the blue line right here and going into the green area, it was the time when Bitcoin was past its basically bottom, and that was when it was a signal that Bitcoin is about to take off into the stratosphere. As we can see here in 2012, it was followed by the all-time high of whatever it was back then 2015 right here, also the all-time high. Then in 2019, it also was the bottom right here. Check it out. I mean, absolutely incredible. And right now we're going into it as well. I mean, this is just common sense. So 1 year active supply of Bitcoin is just shows how we can time the Bitcoin market in general, because the smallest frequencies, again, if we go back to the chart, that still can do whatever it wants. It can dance in damn circles right here, right? But in general, this just gives us a very good indication of what is going on a global scheme. And yeah, so this is something that you have to really pay attention to. This is absolutely epic. And for this reason, I want to show you this piece of on-chain data right here. It's also about the 1 year active supply, on-chain data, and let's just read this real quick. The 1 year active supply is the amount of Bitcoin which have been active at least once over the last year. Looking at the year-over-year change in this active supply tells us the rate at which coins are getting activated or deactivated. Is it a good indicator of tops and bottoms? And the answer is yes. So here we're gonna see 3 halving seasons, the third one, second one, and the first one. And as you will see, of course, there is this, the colors represent the year-over-year change of Bitcoin's 1 year active supply. So blue means that the activity is just going down, people are losing interest, and it usually, blue area is the bottom. When the red area is the top, when it's just super active, everybody's getting into it, FOMO effect, etc. in simple layman terms. And as we can see in the first halving, well, the second halving is the best example. So we started greenish, then the all-time high was in red. Very simple to see, right? Then again, blue area started right here, and this was our absolute bottom, well, where the blue actually started right here in this area. And then it continued off into, as it went up, again, third halving, it turned into this almost red right here. As you can see here, it's actually darker than it was right here. And now, as you can see at the end of our third halving right here, we're actually in blue again. I mean, does it mean that the Bitcoin is going to go to $50,000 tomorrow? The answer is no, it doesn't mean this. Again, global scheme, looking at all the halving cycles in general. And this means that if the bottom is not in yet, it's extremely close. And this is exactly what it means. And according to these charts, and I am inclined to say that these charts are freaking amazing and tell us a huge story. So the best and most precise conclusion out of all of this is that accumulating Bitcoin right now is the same as accumulating it close to a bottom or at the bottom. So this is absolutely incredible and something you really have to pay attention to. And make some noise down in the comments for Mr. Spot On right now if you haven't seen these charts and you find them to be super useful. And as always, if you want to be trading actively and learn how to do this properly, then there is still Easter, 50% Easter sale is still going on at Thomas Krallo. Just down in the description of this video, you'll find an exclusive link to a 50% discount on all of my certified and accredited trading learning programs. Or you can just go directly to offer.thomaskrallo.com. Just put it on the screen right here and become one of my full-time students and just enjoy these kinds of profits when you're trading yourself. So stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.